Nakasimangot ka na lang palagi, parang ikaw lang ang nagmamay-ari ng lahat ng sama ng loob. May kilala ba kayong nakasimangot na lang palagi? O kaya ikaw yun, you're always grumpy, you're always pouting, you're always in a bad mood. Tayo, alam natin bakit masama loob natin, alam natin bakit nakasimangot tayo. Pero ito lang, hindi natin alam ang pinagdadaanan ng isang tao. Nakasimangot yan for a reason. Baka meron niyang pinagdadaanan, pero pilit niyang magtrabaho, pilit niyang magsumikap. Kaya ang importante, we don't judge, we don't label the person. So anong dapat gawin natin? Unang-una, let's pray for that person. There's always an underlying reason why that person is unhappy. Alam mo yun, pinagdadaanan mo yun. Kaya we have to pray for them. Ipagdasal natin sila. Pangalawa, be a friend to that person. Treat them well. Baka nasanay sila na may nagagalit sa kanila. Kindness will go a long way. And if it so happens that you're that person, ikaw yung parating nakasimangot, parating in a bad mood, try to deliberately smile. Pilitin mong ngumiti. Kahit minsan may dinadala tayo sa loob, pag tayo ay ngumiti, it helps. It helps in uplifting our spirit, and it helps people deal with us better. Kaya strive to be a person of joy. Put Christ in your heart and let Him radiate in your life.